Guys, this is Manuel Baller here for another video today, and today we'll be doing, well, this was a really cheap thing, but I was like, you know what, I'll just make a video for it. So I just did a whole bunch of the 2 trophy packs, so let's just get into it, whatever. Okay, that's not bad. You mostly get 2 bronze, but you get what you pay for, I guess. Yep. Bang. Oh. Oh, there's gold. That wasn't bad. Looking at pulling elite. I haven't pulled any elite from one of these packs in forever, so just looking for one of those. Well, we're always looking for one of those, I guess. Nope. More good packs. There's gold. Okay, I feel like we're going to get a gold and a bronze. Oh, gold and silver, dang it. Alright, thanks for watching. That's all we're doing today. Bye.